So, on our last episode, you talked about using Microsoft for referencing, and it actually caused a lot of fuss in the comment section. And that's why we have to hear from you in person. So, how does this Microsoft correlate with referencing? Like, what's their relationship?
Okay, so it was after my project I discovered a way to add reference using Microsoft Word.
Okay. So, you are going to be doing something for us. You are going to show us in a more practical way.
All right. So to add a reference to your work, all you just need to do is to go to the place you want to add the reference. Like for me, I will select this part.
Okay.
When you click on it, then you go to the reference section, this reference section tab. Then you click on Insert Citation. Then click on Add New Source. It's going to bring out this pop-up. So you fill the name of the author. So let me use any name. Then we fill the then you fill the title of the title. After that, you put the year that you want that is in the reference material you're looking for. Then you can enter the city and the publisher. The publisher.
Okay, here's the publisher.
Castle Republic, yes, okay. So you can enter the publisher here. Then hit on this OK.
Okay.
So you can see the reference has been added. And again, if you want to change the style of your referencing, this one is APA. So you can also change it from if you have a different, you can use around MLA.
So that means you cited the reference already.
Yes, we can change it.
I cited it for you already.
Yes, depending on the reference style that you choose.
Okay.
So if I change it to NLA, it's going to change. It's going to reflect here.
Okay.
You can see here it's reflected. So you can also use on IEEE. If you use IEEE, you'll see it will reflect here. So any place you want to add the reference at any point, you just click on it, then add the reference. So when you are done, all you just need to do is to go to the last page of your work, then go to the last page of your work, then go to this side that says bibliography, then you select the one that you want. So this is going to be the list of all the references that you have added. So you can choose the first one, bibliography, you can choose the reference, or you can choose blog cited. So let me use the one for the reference here. So if I click on it, it's going to arrange all your citation the way you put it.
Is it going to arrange it for you alphabetically, or it's going to
According to the style.
according to the style?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's really amazing.
So see the reference because we just added one reference.
Wow. Okay, yes, there's one. Okay.
So at any point in time you want to make modification to your reference, all you just need to do is to go to this place and click on manage sources.
I just want you to do something for us, just because of the viewers watching it. Can you scroll up? Scale up.
Okay.
This thing you did here. Okay.
That's the way they did for IEEE.
Yes, this is how IEEE does it. So let me change it back to the most common one, which is the APA.
I just really wanted them to know that this thing is called what? Citation. Like
Yes.
this one is called citation. This part that you are now, just this place that you are. So you can turn your citation to a reference to at the last page or any page that you now want it to be.
So let me change it back to APA, which is the most common one that people normally use.
Yes.
So it's at
So this,
30.
yes, this is citation. They will now go down play. It's generated to a reference for you.
Yes.
So this is really amazing.
Okay. So I'm good to go.
So guys, we've heard from the horse's mouth himself. This is really insightful for you to hold. Share this video to someone in school or anyone in final years so they can learn from this also. And follow us on all our social media platforms so you don't miss out on any episode, because we are in for project writing stress saving. Till we come your way next time. For now, bye.